The flagship publication and official periodical of the American Numismatic Association is The Numismatist. This started as a self-published brochure produced by George F. Heath with the purpose of connecting numismatic hobbyists and providing a variety of general information for novices through advanced collectors. As you see, this started as a small 4-page brochure, and over time, and with the help of many of those who founded the American Numismatic Association, expanded to include a greater breadth of information about numismatic objects. This copy is in the American Numismatic Association Library's Rare Book Room, and is an example of the first 6 volumes bound together. These volumes are exceedingly rare because they were printed self-published on a printing press that George Heath owned and ran. This is the printing press. It's on display in the Dwight and Manley Library in Colorado Springs at the American Numismatic Association's headquarters. While the first 6 volumes and even the reprint, 1963 reprint, are rare, you can find scans of the reprint from the Numismatist Digital Archives, which are accessible from the American Numismatic Association's website, www.money.org.